guys, welcome to this edition of the Trailblazer Project. I'm Ken from Better Homes and Gardens Dream Makers out of Wasilla, Alaska, and I'm excited to be here as we look at what's going on in the Talkeeta North area of Alaska. Now, if you'll remember that those properties are those that are north of the Wasilla Palmer area. These are the areas of Willow up into Talkeetna. And right now, we still got a lot of snow on the ground. And while we've got a little bit of fall spring happening, a lot of the breakup has started other places. We've had some melt, but we've had some more snow that's been added to it. Not quite ready to really get in there. And those folks that have been buying land in particular, still a little difficult in there to do soil testing. And there's a lot of stuff that's still snowed in. So let's dive right into everything that is happening in the market because things have kind of started moving just a little bit. So let's take a look. As we look at the residential inventory, this excludes, we don't have condos, we don't have trailers particularly out there. We're looking primarily at those homes that are on the market. We've had 2 more that have come to the market, so we've got 34 that are currently listed right now, so that's up from last month. And so that's a good sign. We've got some things that are coming to market, and as we look ahead, we're going to see why that's a really good sign. We've had 10 properties that have sold over this last month, the month of March, which means that we've had more inventory that's beginning to get freed up and come into the market, which is an excellent thing. So far we've got 13 properties that have sold in the Talkeeta North area. So things are starting to move and things are starting to come to market. And that's what we've been hoping and looking forward to. So that's a great sign. The other great part to look at this is if you'll note that the property values have increased, that the homes have sold in excess of $241,000 on average. So that's a great sign that those properties are selling. It's gone up from before. It's not a huge jump, but it is a good sign as we look at the market and look at the days ahead. Next, we're going to look at the land activity. And with the land activity, we are down as far as what we have on the market. And if you're in that kind of scenario where you're sitting on property and you're wondering if now's a good time, it is. If you're interested in wanting to sell land, this is a good time because people are looking for land. I think all of us that are in the industry that are working right now, we're having people call, they're asking about properties and specifically asking for raw land. People are very much interested and it's moving. And so the market is down in terms of how much we have on the market. We currently have 120 properties sitting on the market right now. One of the good things is the reason that we have that and that we are down in inventory is because 11 units have sold as of the previous month. That's keeping right in line of where we've been. Pre-COVID numbers, we didn't sell a lot of land this time of year. So this is a great sign that properties are moving and people are interested in that raw land and are wanting to buy. And so it's a great time to be looking at that. And if you've got that land, this is a good time to start thinking about what you want to do with it. And if you want to get it on the market, this is certainly a good time to be thinking about it if you've been holding it for an investment. The average sale price is just over $56,000. Last year's average sale price was right around $57,000. So we're not really seeing a big change as far as the actual values of the property go. And it's still early in the year. We're just looking at March. More properties may sell and the prices may change depending on what people are buying. So that's our real quick update about what's happening in the Talkeeta North area. Things are moving. Things are beginning to open up. And as breakup happens, so is it with real estate. Things are starting to break up a little bit and properties are starting to move. And that's a great sign for all of us. And for those that are looking for land, looking for homes, they're coming to the market. So keep your eyes out and definitely get in touch with any of us that you've heard and gotten to connect with and relate to on these videos. Thanks so much, and I hope this has been a help for you. Y'all take care now.